अद्वैत प्रकटीकृतो नरहरि प्रेष्ठ स्वरूप प्रियो नित्यानंद सख सनातन गति श्रीरूप हृतकेतन लक्ष्मी प्राणपतिर्गदाधर रसोल्लासी जगन्नाथ सांगो पांग सपार्षदो सजयतां देव सचिनंदन वंदे गुरुं पदद्वन्द्वं भक्तवृंद समन्वितं श्री चैतन्य प्रभुं वंदे नित्यानंद सहोदितं श्रीनंदनंदनं वंदे राधिका चरणद्वयं गोपीजन समायुक्तं वृंदावन मनोहरम् श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम राम। I first offer my Danmut Pranam to lotus feet of our Gurudev Nitya Prishtam Vishnupad Ashtotar Sasil Bhakti Jivan Janardhan Gosai Maharaj Nitya Prishtam Vishnupad Ashtotar Bhakti Vedanta Narayan Gosai Maharaj और श्री रूपानुगुरु Vargas Vaishnava Sanghas. So we are hearing from Chaitanya Charitamrita Sri Jagannath Rath Yatra Mahotsav. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, half of Radhika, is saying to Krishna, Jagannath, so you heard, चित काढ़ी तोमा है ते, दिसाई चाही लगाई ते जत्न करी नारी काढ़ी बारे, तारे ध्यान शिक्षा करा लोक हसाइया मार अस्थाना स्थान न कर विचार. So Radharani is saying to Krishna, same things Mahaprabhu mood of Radhika saying to Jagannath. We are try to take out from you my heart, my chit, and put in material activities, material work. So much trying but cannot. Because your Sarup is like that. One time, anyone attractive, then they cannot return. Krishna's Sarup is like, how can see? Patanga, one insect, they flying and going fire. Moth. So fire showing own beauties. And this moth love that fire. Are they blindly jumping to that fire? Agni jaiche nijadham dekhaya abhiram पतंगे आकर्षिया मारे तैसे कृष्ण निज गुण देखाइए हरे मन पाछे दुख समुद्र ते डाले. So same things Gopi are saying, we don't know. When we heard your pastimes, your name, we saw your pictures, we heard your flute sound, we attracted by that, and we fully absorb. How? Because if playing flute, that flute melting our heart. We also love rag came for you, our heart melt, and intense that heart. Melting heart inside when it came, then now how I can take out? Take out means you have to whole heart bring outside. And if all bring out, then how can live? So we cannot do like that. Also we cannot keep you because you are very crooked, inside is staying some hoop inside, like this step, stuck it, and this also painful. This also makes so much suffer. So your love is like that. We cannot keep in, also we cannot throw out. So here saying be so much trying. Take out from your my heart, my mind, my all love, but cannot. So we are naturally like you. We want or no want, it's not depend on our wanting. Our sarupa is like that, our nature is like that. We have to love him. Because we have no any another choice, options. So with this type situation, or that type devotee, that type lover, you teaching dhyan jo, tare dhyan शिक्षा करा लोग हसाइया मां. Because by dhyan we cannot satisfy. Because dhyan is one, meditation one, another department. That is not belong to us. We not just want to meditation you. This way we cannot satisfy, because we are realize your everything, your roop, ras, gandh, sabda, sparsha, these all qualities to directly taste, they how can meditate and satisfy. So we want directly your service. Means you come Vrindavan, and which Vrindavan we are visiting, no, every creeper, every kunjas, every ponds, every lake, every mountains, many places we moving, roaming. This is our residence. There are no any obstacles, no any restriction, no any problem. So this way only we can satisfy. So we don't teach anything. Just you come, this way you stay with us. So you are saying some yoga, some jnans thing, that means you don't know place. Asthana sthan na kara vichar. If some jnani yogis, if your disciple, your followers, then can teach to them like that. Because you don't know bhakti ras, you don't know your seva. They can by that knowledge, that idea, that meditation satisfy. But we are not this type. So why are you teaching to us this thing? Before teaching, discuss, you think. So you know thinking. Why are what thing? Tell. Nahe gopi jogeswar pad kamal tomar ध्यान करी पाइवे संतोष तुम्हार वाक्य परिपाटी तार मध्य कुटी नाटी सुनी गोपी रे आरो बाड़े. Gopi are not Yogeshwar. They are not yogis, yoginis. So they meditate your lotus feet and satisfy. So you don't teach them this type. So your teaching paripati means groups. Your teaching ideas, your teaching styles, what teaching, in that style so much cheating. Kutinati means sapat, hypocrisy. Hypocrisy. Crookedness. So when I heard from you like this type, then our more angry, more man going up. When we thinking this type person better don't talk. Because he talk, then he more make baleful, more make difficult, no? Confusion, disturbance. Before when Uddhav telling, then we that time thinking, oh, this Uddhav not understand what between me and you relationship. This he neutrally telling, so we know angry but not so much. But now directly telling same thing, then we go to man. How can tell like that? We are learn these all things. Before you never in Vrindavan talking like that. In Vrindavan always you talking for prema, premas, and is saying, oh gopis, your prema so higher, so topmost. This prema is now bound me, this prema is capture me. I am indebted that famous. Na pareham निर्वद्ध संयुजाम स्वसाधु कृतम विबुधायु सापि बजामा भजन दुर्जर गया श्रृंखला संवृष्ट तद्व प्रतिजाति साथ. Because for my bhajan, you left everything. You left your family, you left your house attachment, you left all attachment. Just fully attached to me. For my affection, you no care to your bodies, your anything. You can see in Ras Leela Gopi, when coming Krishna, they forget to decorating, forget to eating, forget to sleeping, forget to all activities. This world, no one this time loved. Or Gopi love to Krishna. Even Mathura, Dwarka, Kubja, Rukmini, they cannot do like that. They visit Krishna, then first care own self, going beauty parlor or makeup, this or that, then visit to Krishna. In first so much own self take care, then take care of Krishna. But Gopis, no care on self, just care to Krishna. The whole life, everything for Krishna. Everything offered to Krishna. So this is the Gopis' love. On Krishna also, this thing accepting before. Yes, your love is so higher, I cannot pay, cannot buy how much you repay. Even I can get long life, long age like Brahmas, or more than Brahmas, but not possible. So that Gopis, how they love, we no love that much, that way. A new thing now teaching. What is this? In Bhagavad Gita said, Je jatha mam prapadante stan tathaiva bhajamyaham mama vartmanu vartante manusya partha sarvasa. Oh, how way, which way love me, I love them that way. So we are not Yogi Gyani, so this way why treatment, why teaching? Gopis know in more man, Radharani this thing telling. What you want to teach? Jnani, yogis, these karmis people are no captured by Maya, captured by material attractions. So they how can relieve from that anartha? This cause they are doing dhyan, meditation, jnana, many sadhan they are no practicing. This way they like to relieve materials attachment. But our situation not like that. We are home, okay, but this home accepting only for your seva. So like everything Braj Gopi accept for Krishna service. One word is there, Laukki Vaidiki Vapi Ja Kriya Kriyate Muni Hari Seva Nukulasa Sa Karjam Bhakti Michata. One pure devotees, what they do, that can be material, that can be transcendental, that can be ordinary activities, but every activity is only for satisfaction to Krishna. Then that called bhaktis. Like Jasoda mother, sometimes very normally behave with Krishna. When mother decorate Krishna's, putting some kajal, putting some decoration, hair tight, putting there some flower, or when she see Krishna so sweet, so beautiful, then she is scared, she is afraid. If outside people watch my child, then they will put bad eye glance. Then sometime mother also on speed putting to Krishna. Something doing this is like some todka, no? Speed something to protection. Sometimes Krishna dreams, looks some strange things. That is not strange, but mother thinking that is strange. Krishna is sleeping, or that time Shiva came. Then Krishna asking, how are you? Where is this treasure? Kuber. Kuber is your follower. Where Shiva, there must be Kuber. Why not Kuber? Then Kuber saying, I am here. Then Krishna asking, where is Brahma? Then Brahma saying, oh, my Lord, I am your feet side stand up. I so much looking, this Leelas. So all talking like that with Krishna, on Krishna dream replying to them. At that time mother thinking, what happened my child? Some bad effect, so she is spitting on Krishna. So to this all bad energies, bad thinking, bad dreams. So this is bhakti. anything they do. So Gopi is saying, we accept this home, family life only for your seva. So we don't think gopis are attached to home. They are not attached to home. Home is staying like one,
Yes.
no, like one DT type, no, like one statue type. Means staying, but no useful for family life. Families are thinking gopi are home, gopi like to home, but no, they are sitting home, but thinking outside Krishna what is doing. Krishna what doing in Gausalas, Krishna what doing in forest, Krishna what doing with cowherd boys, what in Jamuna, what in Govardhan. Is 24 hours their mind going only Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. On what activity is doing, that is by practice. Every day cleaning, habit to clean, or anything doing this doing by habit. But mind is not there. There's no remember self. They are always thinking Krishna. This because Krishna saying your love so higher, we cannot do. So here Gopi, Radhika also saying, Deha smriti nahi jar, sansar kup kaha tar, taha hai te na chahe udhar, dira samundra jale kam timingli gile, Gopi gaye na kare, na neh tar par. So Mahaprabhu saying to Jagannath this bhav, Deh smriti nahi ja sansar kub kaha tar. Before Gopi said, your lotus feet is one shelter of material people who are sinking death and birth oceans, who are fully absorbed to karmi life, material life. They can take shelter your feet or come out. So we also want to your feet shelters. But now when Man came, then in Man, Salki Mud saying, what you think? We are not attached by karma, by jnana yogas, because we have no any these attractions. Even we no attached to our body. So if no attached to body, we not care who am I, where am I, just thinking you, that person no more sansar, no more world. So where sansar ku? You are absorbed material life, then Maya feelings coming. Or you are not absorbed to this life, these material things, absorbed to Krishna, then even you are here, but Maya cannot affect. You cross to Maya. Ma meva je parpadante Maya metam taranti. So gopis anywhere is staying, any activity is staying. They no remember on house, no remember on bodies. They just absorb Krishna. Tan manaska, tad alapas, tad vichesta, tadatmika, tad gunaneva gayanto, natma garani sanskar. What is Radhika and Gopis? No? Jasoda mothers, when she is churning yogurt, she also not remember anything. Just by habit she is doing like this, but she is singing Krishna's pastime, singing Krishna's pastime. Jani janiha gitani tad bal charitani cha dadi nirmantne kale smaranti tan gale. Child times Krishna what did, how is not disturbed to gopis, this all Bal Leela mother remembering. Krishna go gopi house, gopis milking some cows, one cow is just start to milk, then Krishna left one calf. Gopi very happy. Oh, Krishna is helping me because I milk, so this calf before milking coming very good. So she absorbed to that milking, and then Krishna after 5-6 calf more opening. So Gopi one cow, how time take milk out, that time 10 cows stop drinking. Or when she saw, then so upset and coming to tell to mother. Oh, Basan Munchan, your child so much disturbed when we are milking cow, he is opening rope of calf. Then mother saying, this is very good. Oh, my child is very nice, he is real cowherd boys because he is helping you to your seva. because when milk, then you need to open cock. So it's doing good. Then Gopi singing one by one open and give time to milking, very good. But it's one opening, and when we go to milk, then it's 10-20 cock same time opening. So we cannot milk properly. And he come to our home and stealing this, that, too much complaining. So this all Bal Leelas when Gopi tell to Jasoda mother, because Jasoda mother house this time no Leela happening, there some different Leela going. So what Leela mother don't know. Inside what he doing, she knows, front eyes. So what outside happening, this Leela mother when doing some seva, churning yoga, remembering again and again. On that time she forget who is she, what she is doing. Just doing in habit, but mind is absorbed by Krishna's Leela. So no body remembering, no this stick remembering, no this pot remembering, no anything remembering. Just remembering Krishna or some butter, remember when butter come out, this remembering because this is seva for Krishna. If I keep this thing, then Krishna eat. So just Krishna, so relating to Krishna things they remember. Her necklace, no many expensive, but when she's churning yogurt, she could not remember I have very expensive necklace, I have expensive bangles, I have very expensive sarees and very expensive robe in hair tightening and in waist tightening, anything she not remember. Absorb Krishna seva. So Gopi also saying we are absorbed by your Leela, Katha, Sevas, so we have no any smrtis. So we have no worldly any attachment, any bondage. So what sansar, what material food? This for karmis and jnani yogis problem. We have no this problem. Or we no want to from there udhar. Taha hete na chahe udhar. Gopi no want to relieve that thing. Relievers. Because they have no this problem. We direct attached to you, direct hearing your Leela Kathas. They what situation, what is no observation, observer, this type of observation, big personality bond. Gopi have no ordinary love. This worldly love cannot compare, no. When Uddhav saw that rude bhav, Adi rude bhav, Modan and Madanakhya bhav, then Uddhav saying this bhav even when smell come as heart, then we can, no, leave all attachment. No remember anything like Gopi's love. How is the bhakti's love? Sarvatma bhav for Krishna. Krishna is everything for them. Your heart, them heart, mind, thought, all places, everywhere, Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. They when walk, then thinking Krishna, this type walking. When they talk, then thinking Krishna talk like this, because they become tanmaya, own style idea forgetting of Krishna what doing, they do like that. This called Adi Rudha. Or you can see when Ras Leela Krishna departure, then Gopis doing like same Krishna. Krishnoham pasatam gatim lalitam miti tanmana. I am Krishna, see my walk. Krishna walk like this, yes. Then many Gopis acting like friends. Jogmaya someone acting like Baldev, because Gopi no want to be Baldev, and Krishna some Gopi acting like Krishna. So Krishna Baldev walking little front, and then another Gopi is calling to them, oh Krishna, oh Baldev, stop, stop. You also take us with you. How Gopas telling cowherd boy. This type they do. So fully absorbed. I carry to Giraj Govardhan, don't worry. All come take shelter. Ma bhaishtavat varsabhyam tatranam vihitam maya. We arrange how to protect Indra's air, water, thunderbolt. So they step absorb. So where is their smrtis? Where is material world? So Gopi no want to relieve that world, that anarthas. But Gopi have one big problem, you can relieve from that. What is that? Saying Viraha Samundra Jal. Gopi are sinking separation oceans. Oceans of separation. They are middle of oceans of separation. They could not find bank, how can come out from there. So that separations so much disturbed because they come seemingly gile. In that separation, your love, your affections, like crocodile. But that crocodile like to eat. It's giving so much disturbance. So if you not come, then we have to die. Before also saying here, also saying this love kill, because this is not like beginning stage of love. Even beginning, this called Purva Rag, that time many situation creating. Or this is Adi Rood Bhav. This is so much high position develop. Or they are too much burning. Even Purva Rag, just starting love, that time 10 type situation start. That called Lalsa, Udbeg, like Griya, desires, disturbance, like too much anxiety, and cannot sleep, then like Udbeg and then Moha, and then like Vyadhis, disease, then Jadta, like become statue stunned, and this 10 bhav, Unmad, madness, or last stage that called death, faint. So this beginning stage of prema, this called Purvara, that time this 10 situation created. Or when you go to high on high, then so much. So Gopi is saying now we are this situation, separation, and in this separation only one way can this poison go off, your feet come in Vrindavan. So we make ourselves Vrindavan, our heart is Vrindavan. One Vrindavan this land, one Vrindavan this my heart. And one more man Vrindavan. And in my heart Vrindavan, if your feet come, then our all separation go, then we can understand you have full mercy for us, for Radhika. तबे तुम्हार पूर्ण कृपा होगी. So Gopi gane nahe tar par. Gopis alone, this separation cannot cross. These oceans of separation they cannot cross. So for that separation oceans, how they can cross? There you help. Means you give darshan, you directly come and give them satisfaction. No, I came Vrindavan forever. Then this suffer can go off. You give like this. Still cannot go because still they burning. But if say I am always stay Vrindavan and now live to Gopi, then Gopi is more satisfaction. So this way can protect them. Then also Radhika asked, how you can forget this all things? How can forget this our premas? How can forget to Vrindavan where this Leela happened? Which area first visit, first start to love us, be love to you? That Vrindavan, no? That place, this is memorial place. This place how you can forget? If before said, I cannot forget to Vrindavan. Because Vrindavan, I do so much Leela. Chitrati chitre ruchi re bihare. So much sweet pastimes. So wonderful pastimes. And in that pastime, I absorb, but then I could not remember when day or when is night. Day night going, but I know them. I don't know. This is day or this is night. Even night time, whole night, bank of Jamuna dancing with folks. So that place is Vrindavan, where this thing happened. You cannot think when is what time. 24-hour absorb that premas. So that prem bhumi, that lila bhumi is Vrindavan. How you can forget? You can forget, but Vrindavan and we are everything remembering. Because you walk everywhere, you can come and see your footprint. Everywhere your footprint, that is witness of your leelas. गोकुल के गिरारन में खादर कछारन में सरिता सर धारन में ठौर कौन बचो, मरकट के मोरन में ग्वालन में बालन में खेल जो न रचो, बंसी पट्टारन में करीरन की भारन में सुखपिक मझारन में कृष्ण नाम मचो है, चेतन की कौन कहे गिरी की पसानन में कृष्ण पद चिन्ह प्रेम पद पद खच। एवरी होयर वृंदावन, नंदगांव, बरसाना, गोकुल, महावन, मानसरोवर, भांडीर भट्ट, केसी घाट, all Braja mandals, everywhere your leelas, leelas. So that Vrindavan, how you can not remember? You remember when Gokul to Vrindavan came? That time Sukdev Goswami saying, when Krishna Baldev Prabhu came to Vrindavan, they so bliss, so happy. They saw Vrindavan, they saw Govardhan, they saw Jamuna. वृंदावनम गोवर्धनम जमुना पुलिनानी च विच्छा आसिद उत्तमा प्रीति राम माधवयो निर्भर। कृष्ण बलदेव प्रभु so much getting great pleasure, great happiness, love this Vrindavan, Govardhan, Jamuna. So that Vrindavan, how can find? These Vrindavans, everyone want be something. Brahma, Uddhav, Shiva, Narad, Vyas, Sukdev, everyone lamenting this Vrindavan, be something. Brahma won't be here any insect, any creeper, any leaves, any flower, anything of Brajas. Very happily. Muda jatra Brahma tirnikar gunmadisu param sada kanchan janmarpit vivid karmaptanudinam. Karmadya tatreva bhajanti brajabhi priyajana maya tete bandya param vinaya punna khachita. Where Brahma won't be something, any insect, any animals, anyone, very happy. That Vrindavan who are staying, they are so much punya. It's not material punya, this like no special mercy of Radha Krishna who stayed at Vrindavan. So I do pranam to that Brajvasi, that Vrindavan. So which Vrindavan, this much sweet, beautiful, or your lila place, how you cannot remember to that place? Sometimes your mind not coming Bansi Bhat, not coming Kesi Ghat, not coming Mansarovar, where I got man on how type you try to take out my mans, and my man is become so strong, not going. Then you last putting your head, my feet, and saying, anyway, just leave me. Give me this man. Radhe munj my man manidhanam. Oh Radhike, your man give me like donation. Just done. I cannot remove. I have so much strength and energy. I many impossible thing done. But this man I cannot remove. I killed to Aghasur, Bakasur, many asuras. I drink fire. I danced to Kalia's head, I broken bow, I killed to Raman, Kumbhakaran, I killed to Hiranyakashipu, or many things did. But when I try to stop your man, so much sweating, so much, but cannot. Then Krishna said, I cannot, but from your side you just speak, and when you speak, when your teeth, some open your lips, and his teeth come, his rays come to out, this is like light, then my darkness heart can become some brightness, and I can understand your man is going. Tanek bolo bol, khile dant josna, haro tam kona. When Radharani go man, then Krishna feel this world is full of dark. His heart, mind, darkness, cannot watch anything. So that situation, if Radharani one word speak, little teeth coming out speaking time, this is like light. On that light, Krishna, this some darkness go, and he can see something who is real. So what happened this time Leela? Where happened this time Leela? That Vrindavan and Govardhan. Which Govardhan so much love you. Gopi saying, Govardhan, so near dear devotees of Krishna. For Krishna, his own body is putting like carpet. And where Krishna put his feet, that area Giriraj becoming so soft. Even they are thrown a stone and some grass were very sharp, that also become like cotton. So Gopi also saying, Giriraj, which way on which step, doing seva, we Gopis but cannot do like that. We cannot our body put Krishna's feet and protect from a stone on from throne. If do like this, then family's problem. Mother-in-law, anyone, they start to abusing or maybe beating. What is doing this thing? Because we are so much control by these all things. But Giriraj have no problem. It's fairly welcome always Krishna. Anytime Krishna come, any season Krishna come, there Krishna getting so much pleasure. If hot season, Giriraj, nice cave. We go inside 5-10 feet, then like air condition, so cold. If Krishna tired, then Giriraj make own self bedhi, some dyes, some bed, and there are many leaves and flowers putting up. Mattress, and Krishna there can sleep. Anupam Manuvedi Ratna Singhasanorva Rujar Drasanudrenu Droni Sange Surango Sahaval Sakhevi Sankhelayan Swapriyang me Nija Nikat Nivasam Dehi Govardhanatma. Nice dyes, nice thrones, chair making, singhasans. Drasadrunu Sanghesu Sahaval Sakhevi Sankhelayan with Baldev Prabhu's on Suval Sridham Madhumangals. With them, they are playing that Giriraj areas. Or when Krishna tired, then friends are making beds by leaves, by flowers, and putting Krishna there. Lay down on some flower, some leaves taking and fanning, massaging feet. This type they are doing sevas, and Giriraj all instrument, per familiars present, offer to them on their themselves. For calf, very soft grass. For cows, grass, water. For friends, many varieties of fruits. For decorating to Krishna, decorating to friends, many flowers. They using that flowers. So Gopi also saying Giriraj is real servant of Krishna. Hanta Yamadri Haridasavar. Jad Rama Krishna Charana Sparsa Pramoda. Manam Tanoti Sahago Ganayus Tayorjat Paniya Sujava Sakandar Kandam. This Giriraj, his mountain form, but his life very successful. We are Gopi form, but not that much seva can do, but he's like a stone mountain, but he still is so much doing seva. For Krishna's friends, for Krishna's cows, so much fruits and flowers and water and grass, many things, nice breathe, nice air, is all offered to Krishna, served to Krishna. So Radhika asking, forget that Govardhan service, Giriraj Govardhan, also forget Prabandhan Nila Kandarete, whose Giriraj, we are only our groups Gopis going every cave or we do to Ras Leelas, many Parmadan Leela, many like hidden or secret Leelas, any unlimited Leelas. That same Giriraj witness where we crossing Mansi Ganga through the by boat. And he becoming boatman. And sometime you hiding your sarupas, you coming out under cowherd boy, we don't know you are Krishna. You hide your sarupas, or when one cross this river, then he's saying, okay, you can use my boat is very nice, very new, just yesterday I launching this boat. Yesterday new boat making and bringing, no one sitting, first you are my customer. So you can sit and I easily can cross. I very expert boatman. Or when middle Mansi Ganga boat coming, then this boatman saying, oh, I am new boatman. because my father doing this thing, I just 5 days came to this thing too. So I know so much experience how to boat, how to drive this boat.
No.
And so much greed, necessary just keep 1 or 2 gopi, but I keeping 20 gopis. So 20 gopis means so much heavy. And I don't know, at that time he's making boat so much shaking. Like now go, now can sing. That time rather than saying what can do. And Krishna saying, I am not proper boatman, boat also not new. Very old, I just painting and making new brand. So from inside some whole water is coming. So this is like God quickly, no? So you like to protect, then all your ornament and everything, this pot of yogurts and butter, as much you can eat and give me, that much can be taken extra, I have to throw because it's so much heavy. So like this time Krishna start to talking, then rather than saying what I can do. Tarli Tarno Sarido Gambhiro Tarlo Nanda Sutas Karnadara. This boat is no shaking and Mansi Ganga is shaking, Krishna is restless and sun setting, our home is very distant. If he has so much fight this boatman, then only losing. So what he want, just give and cross. So they're throwing everything and come to out. On that time Krishna saying, quickly throw, because now everything sinking, boat sinking, I sinking, my life sinking, my hope sinking, everything going inside water. This time Krishna make where sweet talk and pastimes. That is Giriraj Govardhan. After that coming to Dan Ghatis, on where Krishna become okay, Hari Krishna. So where is Dan Ghatis? There become Krishna tax collector and gopis are crossing that areas. So much yogurt, butter, milk, they are taking this everything. Some jagyas, one rishi that called Bhanguri rishi, and nearby Govind Kund is doing that jagyas. So Gopi was taking this, then Krishna came there and saying, today I got the catch. All gopis are using my roads. They are very heavy, big bangles bearing, no, big, no, and so much pot carrying, but they just use my road, but not paying any tax. So today without tax, they cannot cross. So Krishna come middle street, like putting, like barrier tap, all Madhu Mangal single friends of Krishna, stand up on road. And when rather in looking to Krishna, then asking to Vrinda, this black man, when become Vrindavan's collector, who giving this position of power? Because everyone know when my Raja Abhishek, that time all Mansi Gangas and Jog Mayas and all Devis, all Gopis Brajvasi are witness Radhika's Vrindavan's Maharanis, Queen. Jatra Dipatya Vrishabhanu Putraya Jeno Dayat Prem Sukham Jananam Jasmin Mamasa Balvatva Tasmin Mamastu Vrindavan Eva Basa. So Vrindavan's Adhishtatris, Queen is Radhika's. This man, when become Vrindavan's king on Vrindavan's collectors. Then Vrinda Devi saying, I don't know when he become. Then asking him, when you become? Then Krishna saying to Vrinda, when I marriage to you, then I become, because you are Vrindavan, Vrindavaneshwari, I am like this. Then Lalita asking, when you married you? Or you invite to us? When happened secretly? Then Vrinda saying, this black man I first time look. From where came he, I don't know. Because everywhere go on this step blaming, no, you are my wife, you are my this, that. So don't believe him. If all black in black, and is all things black, no, it's blackmailing everywhere. So when this type telling the Radharani is little behind, hiding to Gopi, and Krishna like to Radhika spot things take. Radharani saw Krishna coming close to me, and he like to my pots take my some yogurt and butter take. Then Radharani saying, keep distance, keep distance. Because you are not to bath. Just morning came to cow grazing without bath. And we are taking bath, and these all pujas things taking to Bhagri Rishi's Jagyas. And you are not bath, and you contaminant, you touch to our pot, then everything we have to throw, because this contaminant we cannot use for Jagya. That time Radharani start to abuse Krishna. Duresu tishta drishta. Jami sujag bhavne bartinim pavitram. Tavate marut mapi madhya gyapyam. Sami ivamna bhavita subha jagya jogyam. O cheater, O destroyer of Vrindavans, you keep distance. Don't touch to our pots. Even don't come that direction from where wind is coming. If air touch to you and after touch to us, then also our thing become contaminated. So when Radharani telling like this, her face and mood like many, like this called Kilkinchit Bhav, angry, man, desire, many things together. And when Krishna looks, he's become stunned, cannot move, and he just thinking what I can do for that. But he gets so much taste, and then Gopis also giving some them Dan, they are nearby Dan Ghati, Dan Nirvartan Kund. So this all Leela where happened, this Govardhan, he cannot remember. How can he forget? How he can forget Jamuna Pulin Ban, bank of Jamunas, guys, big areas of Jamunas, where we are sitting, no? Puna Pulindyam Agatya Kalindyam Krishna Bhavana. Jamunas, where one verse also known Bhagavatam, Tatra Vishnu Bhagavani Yogeswar Hasta Chit Komal Valukam Krishnaya Tat Tarla Chit Krishnaya Has Tarala Chit Komal Valukam. Jamuna's own hands making by sand big area like dice, big fields, big Krishnaya Hasta Taral Komal Valukam. Jamuna's by own waves hands bringing many sand, and by that sand making big pulling bank. Or that bank, Radha, Krishna and Gopis are sitting. And where Gopis are putting on utriyas. Which utriyas, Gopis kumkum. That kumkum like some like any asan, then if putting any asan, then some asan very nice asan decorated, no? Some flower, some like this, then look very attractive. So Gopis utriyas like asan for Krishna, that decorated by kumkums of Gopis. Or that asan Gopis putting to bank of Jamunas. And there Krishna sitting that asan. स्व उत्तरीय कुछ कुंकुम मांग के ते रचित करीबन आसनम आत्म बंधन. Tatrupavashto Bhagavan Ishvaru. Bank of Jamuna, Krishna, who is Bhagavan Ishvaru, and Gopi are some question to him. Gopi asking, forget that question answer, where he cannot proper reply. So much question answer going. Krishna first asking, Kopchaya, what is so much destroying? Kop apchaya. Then Gopi saying Kopachaya, be unnecessary angry, this is big destroyed, big damaging. Kamahita, who is the great, who are great devotees, no? Saying who love to Krishna, who are so strong, who only doing bhajans. Kebal bhaja, this is many question answer. When Gopi is saying, okay, we are now asking, which type your lover, which type you love, which type your bhajan? Bhajtu anu bhajan tekam ek etad viparjayam no bhayo bhajan tekam etan no prohisadu. One, if do bhajan, then do bhajan. This is one type person. Bhajtu anu bhajan ekam etad viparjayam. Another type people, if do bhajan, not do bhajan, he will do bhajan. Or another one type person, no bhajante, bhajtanu bhajante kam ekam etad vipar, no bhajanta bhajante esam bhuhi sadhunam. Bhajtu anu bhajante kam ekam etad viparjayam, no ubhayo bhajan sekam. If do bhajan or not do bhajan, he will not do bhajan. Who are you? Then Krishna said, who are doing bhajan or bhajan, that are businessmen. Mitho bhajanti je sakhya swarthe kantu udmahite. If giving something, he gives something. This type bhajan only they are selfish. They are not religions, not friendship, no any love, affection. Just for dealing. Take, get, take it. Bas. This type's businessmen do it. They love you for only own business. You give him, he gives some. On some are you do bhajan, not do bhajan. This is Guru's and mother, father's nature. Mother, father for own child, everything good. After child, take care, not take care. Guru also for disciple, many things giving. After understanding, learning disciple, he no follow Guru, no respect Guru, no take care Guru, that is his things. But Guru's from own side giving to his disciple. Because there is so much karuna, so much mercy. Karuno pitro jata, mata pitas. And if do bhajan or not do bhajan, they will not do bhajan, that is four types. One is four types people. Atmaram, you love or not love, he will not love. Atmakam, whose desire fulfilled, they also not care, you love or not love. Atmaram, Atmakam, another is Akritagya, ungrateful. Means we are doing something but he not accept.
Not acknowledge.
Acknowledge. On fourth number, that called Drohi, Guru Droha. No love, how you love, but also attack. Ungrateful is okay. What I did for you, you no accepting, okay, no problem. But they no accept and attack. Become violent. Then Gopi are saying, if say which number are you? If say Bhajtanu bhajan, which type bhajan do this type do bhajan, but we could not find. How we love, we live for everything, husband, wife, children, everything. Dhar tajo, ban tajo, nagar, nagar tajo, pansi vadu tak tajo, tahu pe najiyo, babro, vayo, log, babri kahat, moko, babri kahat, me tahu ne barat. I no care to anyone what they say. I just love you. But you not like that. How much we are loving, that much you are not loving. If that much love, then you cannot run forest to forest and give so much pain. Okay, how much that much you cannot love, then you can say, oh Gopis, I am sorry, I have not that much love, you just forgive me. But you're not telling sorry, too much doing drohas. Droha means, you know, if we understand, we think that, then how our mind go? Gopi is saying, you know, Krishna is running in forest.
Away from them.
Among gopis on night time in dark, inside many trees, and Krishna's feet hitting by stone, hitting by thorns, many things, because his feet is not shoe. When Gopi remembering this thing, then head is spinning, because Gopi love Krishna million billion time own self, own life. How much they know love own self? 1,000 times love Krishna back. Gopi saying, your feet so soft, even putting our hand we feel ill, head is spinning. Because our hand very hard, because we are so much homework doing, so our hand is
Callous.
huh?
Many calluses.
Like this, but your feet so soft like this. So even hand, our hard putting our feet, we feel tension. Or tight feet, you are without shoes running, so how we are feel pain? This pain you understand like that. If any child tell to mother, I will not eat 5 days. He no eating, his body's problem, no, he is damaging himself, but this also so much tension for mother, father. So similarly, how much you make to problem yourself, hitting and beating and putting inside forest, darkness, you suffering, but when remember that suffer, we are million times suffering than you. So this called drohas. No. Okay, be ungrateful or be something is still okay, but it's, you're not, your drohi means how much we love, that much no loving, and you saying, Gopi, I go more inside in throne, more go inside dark, and you remember the thing, then you more cry for me. Because I know your life, man, heart with me, and when you remember this, then you more cry, more you go to suffer. So it giving us more suffer means this is droh. One side saying, Gopi's prem is my gurus, so you accept like our prem is guru, then why not come like disciple, or no, you cannot do like that, so I'm sorry, forgive me, but it's too much like this. So when Gopi talking like that time Krishna making many speech, no, I don't like that. Na ham to sakto bhajto pi jantun bhajami misa manuvritti kritaye jatha dhano labdha dhane vinaste tat chintaya ayan nirvirto na virta. I'm not love like that businessman. I leave you only, give your love more increase. Increase to your love. Like one rich man had so much wealth, and when he lose, then how much he tension, and after he when getting, then he's very hardly keeping that thing, this wealth, no like to again lose. So I like to your how. Then Gopi is saying what? We are sadhas? No. Our love is nature. From birth this thing, naturally. So what increase to our love? So many things Krishna said, but after he cannot proper reply, then saying, Na pareham, I cannot repay your premas. How much your premas is too much for me. So saying that Pulin, where this all happened, how I can forget? How you cannot remember? Jamuna Pulin on Ban, many forests, like Bhandir Ban, Mansarovar, Talban, Madhuban, Kumudban, this many forests, thousands leelas, Krishna's with gopis. So you not remember this all? How you can forget? You remember to Madhuban, where we did many leelas. You remember that Madhuban when go to cow grazing on when return, then Maya chastise you because complaining coming, you stealing butter. At that time talking Maya Mori Mai nahi makhan khayo. Bhore bhaye gayan ke pache Madhuban mohi pathayo. Char pahar bansi but bhat ko sanj paro ghare aayo. मैं बालक बहियन के छोटो छीक को ही विधि पायो ग्वाल बाल सब बैर पड़े हैं, बरबस मुख लपटायो। जननी ले अपनी लकुट कमरिया, बहुत ही नाच नचायो। जननी तोरे दिया भेद उपजिय, जान पर आयो जायो। This type Krishna talk with mothers. So this all you forget, and how you can forget to that Kunja's Ras Adik Leelas. In Kunja many Leelas, Ras Leela. And Krishna saying, Braja has, I have so many types of Leela. But when I remember to Ras Leela, then I don't know how is my mind. Nahi jane smrte rase, mano me kidrishambha. In thus Ras Leela, Krishna's Brahmas one night become like 1 second. When this night gone, no understand. Or that Leelas many Krishna Sarupas. Many way that Leelas. Because this Leelas, Gopis Bhav, so thick. This is called Rasanam Samuha Rasa. That thickness, Krishna will taste. Another Leela is not like that. Krishna has many Leela, but Ras Leela is top most Leelas. This Leela not possible anywhere. So rather in reminding to that, so this all kathas, next Saturday, Sunday we will hear. Also saying this, say, Brajere Brajajan Mata Pita Bandhugan Bada Chitra Kemane Pasat. Which mother breast milk you drinking, which mother hand thing is eating, which mothers keeping you in womb, and how much take care you, that mothers, how you can forget? How you can forget to Brajavasi? How you can forget to Nand Babas, whose life is playing, whose beard is pulling, and giving so much affection, is stick and shoes you carrying, and too much give love affection to Babas. This thing not remember. Also not remember to your friends Sri Dam Madhu Mangal Sugal. They are so much crying for you. Every day we think whom we go to cow grazing, or how much play with them, sitting bank of Jamunas and many things eating. So this all, if you remember, then we don't think you stay out of Brajas. So rather, only by these kathas, too much giving remembers, memories of Krishna. And after that, Krishna, this all talking, he also answered. So this all kathas we will heard next Saturday and Sunday. Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita ki jai, Sachin Nandan Gaur Hari ki jai, Sri Gaur Premanande Hari, Sri Gurudev ki jai. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Sri Gaur Premanande Hari Hari.
ये सब आए बहुत खतरा हो गया है।